Hello students, welcome to Chemistry Classmate. In today's lecture, we shall learn about some important objective expected models from aldehydes and ketones. So apart from that, look at the question number 1. Match list 1 reaction with list 2 name and select the correct answer using the codes given below. So here list 1 some reactions and list 2 some reaction name given. So almost it seems to be a named reactions. Identification of answer is very in this case because if you know the reagent what they are used, otherwise what are the reactants nature and what is the product's nature, if you identify you'll get direct answer. So if you observe that first one RCOCH3 in the presence of zinc amalgam and HCl you'll get alkane. That means it is definitely Clemmensen reduction. Second one, see there 2 moles of benzaldehyde, that means which does not possesses alpha hydrogen. See 1 mole alcohol and 1 mole acidic salt. This is we can say that Kenjaro reaction. Next one, see there benzene with CH3COCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. What it is? Friedel-Crafts reaction. Is it okay? And next one, see there phenol with CO2 and NaOH. This is coal-based reaction. Then what is the answer here? 1 is matched with C, 2 is matched with D, 3 is matched with A, 4 is with B. So then option C. Is it clear? Very simple, direct answer. If you remember the named reactions, identification of answer is very easy in this case. Next, look at the next question. Okay, an organic compound A has a molecular formula C3H6O. It undergoes iodoform test. When saturated with HCl, it gives B of molecular formula C9H14O. A and B respectively are. See there, A and B respectively are. They asked A and B. As per the given data, see there, A nothing but here C3H6O. C3H6O. They are saying that it undergoes iodoform test. So generally, what is iodoform test? Generally, iodoform test is used to check the presence of carbonyl compounds with the structure of RCOCH3 or alcohols with RCHOCH3. That means RCOCH3, otherwise RCHOCH3. So this type of groups. Is it okay? Iodoform test is used to check the presence of carbonyl compounds with this structure or alcohols with this structure in a given unknown substance. So the reaction of iodine, a base and methyl ketone gives a yellow precipitate along with the antiseptic smell. So this is the basic idea about the iodoform test. So finally these two must be given the iodoform test. So A undergoes iodoform test, then it should be ketone. That means definitely it is a CH3COCH3. It is very clear. Now in the presence of HCl, they only said that in the presence of HCl, what they are saying, it gives this formula. What is that? C9H14O. C9H14O. See there almost 3 times of the carbon. CH3COC is nothing but here 3 carbons are there in this compound. Here almost 3 times. 3 times nothing but definitely it is a trimer of acetone. Guess that. Trimer of acetone. That is only called as a 4-on. Is it clear? 4-on. So what is its structure? See there. CH3 taken twice, C double bond O plus CH3COCH3 plus COCH3 taken twice. It gives CH3 taken twice, C double bond, CHCOCH double bond, CCH3 taken twice. Is it okay? This is the structure finally. That means this is a 2,6 dimethyl 2,5 heptadiene 4-1. This is the IUPAC name. Then what is our appropriate answer here? What is our appropriate answer? See there. Propanone. All the cases propanone is there. Now here we got this structure. So this structure is 2,6 dimethyl 2,5 heptadiene 4-1. See there. This is the structure. Is it clear? It's a very simple reaction. Very logically they asked. So C is the correct answer. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. Compound A, molecular formula C3H8O. is treated with acidified potassium dichromate to form a product B. Molecular formula C3H6O. B forms a shining silver mirror on warming with ammonical silver nitrate. B, when treated with aqueous solution of NH2CO, NHNH2, HCl and sodium acetate, gives a product C. Identify the structure of C. So overall, what is the data given? See there, C3H8O, C3H8O in the presence of acidified potassium by K2Cr2O7 and H2SO4 gives B. B nothing but here they only given that is C3H6O. In the presence of NH4, in the presence of ammonical silver nitrate. So here ammonical silver nitrate, ammonical AgNO3, ammonical AgNO3. It gives silver mirror. They only said that. Then it is treated with NH2CO, NH2. It gives some C. So they are asking about what is that compound C. So observe here one important logic is B reduces ammonical, that means this reduces ammonical silver nitrate. They only said that. So it should be an aldehyde. So definitely it should be the aldehyde. So if it is aldehyde, automatically this should be alcohol. Is it okay? Because alcohol on oxidation gives aldehyde. Is it clear? Then what it may be the reaction? Observe here. CH3, CH2, CH2OH in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate gives CH3, CH2, CHO. So if it is treated with NH2, CO, NH and NH2, then you get the structure like this. CH3, CH2, CH, N, NH, CO, NH2. This is the final product. Is it clear? Direct addition reaction. Is it okay? So then what is our option here? This one. See there, first one. Is it clear? Is it okay? So very simple logical questions. So you have to follow the reactions in this way. Now, as per my this book, look at the last question here. Benzophenone can be converted into benzene ring. Okay, by using fused alkali anhydrous HCl3, sodium amalgam in water and acidified dichromate. So this is the directly fusion reaction. So because C6H5CO, C6H5 plus KOH in the presence of fusion, convert into C6H6 plus C6H5COOK. This is the reaction. So fusion, it must be fused, then only you'll get the benzene. So directly fused alkali. So this is the correct option. Okay, so these are the very few models. So just for testing, I given these questions. So we will do continuously few more objective questions from the aldehydes and ketones. I am going to do nearly 50 different model questions from this topic. So keep watching my YouTube channel. Please share it, subscribe it, and give your valuable feedback there itself. Thank you.